After what feels like weeks of rain, grey skies and being stuck indoors, we finally had a weekend that felt like spring turning into summer. Even if we still had grey skies and some rain. And honestly, the garden has exploded with growth. So this weekend we headed out into the back garden up in South Yorkshire to give everything a much needed tidy up. Grass was overdue for a cut, borders were starting to spill over, pots needed attention, and there were little jobs everywhere you looked. But that's one of the things I love most about this time of year. The garden starts to feel alive again. Every time you step outside, something has changed. New flowers opening, fresh growth appearing, bees buzzing around, and the whole space slowly coming together. So in today's video, I'm going to take you along with me as we get the garden back under control, tidy things up, and hopefully bring a bit more order and colour back into this space, ready for summer. So grab a cup of tea, enjoy the fresh air, and let's spend a relaxing weekend in the garden together. And as always, enjoy. So today's job is to tidy the northern garden. So we're going to cut the grass because that's been neglected for a while. Everything's looking lovely in terms of growth. But this bed needs weeding desperately. The rhubarb's gone to seed, so I need to pull seed heads off that. The tree lilies are looking alright, although full of weeds, and a rogue allium. And the raspberries seem to be coming back, but again full of weeds, so that all needs taking out. So just a good cut the grass, tidy up, make it look neat. Just to show you quickly though, the wisteria is starting to come into full flower, which is beautiful. Just walk round as it goes round the front of the garage. Yeah, that's full of flower, beautiful. So after a few hours work, that's now all weeded and cleaned. So weeded the beds, cut back the rhubarb that had gone to seed, weeded these beds. The tree lilies are looking lovely as they come back. Raspberries are coming back. This bed was just full of weeds. So was the gravel. So weeded all that. Take all the weeds out of there. And then notice that the clematis is flowering again. I just moved that because that was under the laurel, so I'm not getting as much water. So I've moved that, but all these are coming back lovely. Yeah, we've cut the grass, done the edges, edged the border. It does just make a difference on how neat it looks. Yes, I've had a bit of rain, you can see, but rain doesn't stop a gardener. So yeah, another successful job completed.